Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to upload contacts to your Messenger application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now tap on the profile icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Scroll down till you find the people section. Click on it. And as you can see, this is called the contact upload section. Click on the first option, upload contacts, which is now turned off. Tap on the button continue, and then you will be able to upload your contacts. As you can see, now it's turned on. If you click on the manage contacts option, you are going to see all of your contacts that you have uploaded from Messenger. So here at this section you will be able to see your contacts by clicking on the contacts button down below. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.